Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a follow-up video on Pepe. We have done one in the past. It was a while ago, and today we're doing a follow-up because there's something that may be of interest of you guys. One thing I want to show you before we get started is that this thing was very low, went to the moon, and it's coming back to support, and it is actually looking like it's finding decent support. So before we get too deep into this, please, if you haven't already, leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as they come out. If you haven't already and are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in this description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So guys, thank you so much for your love and support. I greatly appreciate it. Now getting back to the weekly time frame, as you can see, the upside is pretty strong. We had one drive, well, I mean, if you want to count this as one drive, two drive, three drive, but really it's 1, 2, 3. You have this head and shoulder distributional pattern that's basically setting up. If you can see, this is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and distribution break of structure basically going down. What we're trying to do is find where the support can be on Pepe. A few things that stick out is this level over here around 52.50, and then the next one I would say around 2800, which are point of controls on the upside as we went. We would have been great if we stopped over here at around 9,000, but we actually dipped underneath it. So now we have to look for the last previous level of support, which is over here around 75, and then 5,000, which I said. And right now we're in between 75 and 5,000, a little bit under 75. So now I'm going to basically show you a few things. Let's go on weekly, turn on the drawings. There's a lot of stuff going on, okay? If we took the original long, we would be taking 25% of our profit. Look, right here at the 7,000 area where we're at basically right now. So the people who originally took the long are basically at their TP1 after they've taken TP2. They're deciding, do they want to continue holding this long term for upside continuation? They can re-add the long after they've taken profit. And this is almost a, what, 50% move, right? Yeah, 50% move in spot. So it makes sense why they're adding here after a 50% pullback, which is still bullish, 80% off a blow off top, okay? So this is all still good. Anyone who took the short basically would have taken their last profit around here at 9,000. So we're underneath the 9,000. So this is a good area for us to basically be looking for accumulation. Let me zoom in over here. This low time frame stuff, I'm gonna delete it. This is for scalp stuff that I was doing. Okay, cool. So this is what we're looking at right now. If we were attempting this long scalp now, on this wick is where I see this potential of testing support. As long as this wick is defended over here at 7,000, if you, oh man, this is so crazy. Go back to the last 3-4 videos that I've made on alts. ETH did this wick. Cardano did this wick. Zcash did this wick. A lot of assets have done this wick, and they are all protecting that wick. And you're doing this little consolidation above the wick. Even you had another wick right here. You see it? This wick right here. All this looks like to me is a potential consolidation, like a bull flag consolidation for a breakout above 8,000, finding support, and then going to 1,000 and beyond in an expanded wedge fashion. That's what I'm looking at right now as a potential long scalp. This head and shoulder liquidity over here is where we would be targeting, due to the fact that this head and shoulder that they're trying to print is a fake out, and then there is not going to be a lower dump. It's going to be an actual short squeeze situation, pump up. Find resistance around 12,000, and then if you want to roll back over, that's something we can do. Now, the reason why I have the short fibs and the long fibs is because the main money is going to be around here, and this is where you want to basically look for your next level of resistance if you're going to take a short or whatnot, or take profit on your long. That's basically where I would be looking for that trouble to come in if we get it. All this over here, I just want to see lower highs in a retail trend line up. And as long as we don't get underneath 5,800, I would say that this could be a potential local, maybe decent swing long-term low for us to go and test the breakdown for that upward continuation. Because all this thing has done is kind of like bull flag. take the liquidity, and then reverse. Bull flag, take the liquidity, and reverse. Bull flag, if it wants to take the liquidity, and then reverse kind of situation. So it's kind of like 3 attempts to go down and it can't go down, then the path of least resistance is going to be up. So just be aware of this moving forward. Aside from that, guys, if you see the selling on volume on daily, it is slowing down as we're coming into that pivot. So that's bullish divergence, meaning the sellers are slowing down. If buyers start ticking up over here and the sellers just stop, you will see upside come over here on a daily time frame on Pepe. So today is the day to see how everything plays out. If you can look at your weekly, and let's turn off all the drawings. You don't need all that for weekly. If you can see the weekly, we are basically testing last week's doji. If we can just hold above, and actually it should be this level right here, 7,200. I would say upside is good. As long as we don't have a daily close underneath 7,200, I would be looking for a round and up. So that's basically all I have for you guys for today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you are interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. And then last but not least, if you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a like, press the bell button for notification, press a thumbs up so that other people can see these videos through the algorithm. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Be careful this week. It is going to be extremely volatile. A lot of smart people are just not going to be trading this week. I'll just say that right up front. There's no reason to take risk when there's no clarity. Once the data is dropped and the clarity is there, you can, amp up your risk. But right now, you're kind of just front running, and that's a great way to get slapped in the face. So don't ruin the amazing P&L that you guys had last week. Let's keep that going for this week. And all you P&L whores, all you guys that are screenshotting your daily P&L, that's great. That's great. But I want you to hold yourself accountable. Don't just be a one-trick pony. Show me your 1 week cumulative P&L. I don't care about your 1 day. Show me how you traded the entire week. Are you green, or are you just red for 1 day and showing everyone, oh, I made 100% or 300% on one trade, and then the rest of the week you're just giving it all back? That's our new thing. I don't care about your daily or your one scalp P&L. Show me your week P&L. That way I know you're a decent trader. And we can all compare and then grow together doing that. So talk to you soon, guys. I hope I see some P&L shots in the Discord for the week from the people who are watching this, so we can all show each other how good of traders we are. Thank you, guys. Have a great day, and talk to you soon. Be safe. Adios.